Hi, how was your nap? Huh?
I wake up.
You woke up? Good morning. Who are you?
I'm Mason.
You're Mason? You look like somebody else. Who do you look like?
I'm Dada.
You look like Dada. What's on your feet? Your astronaut boots? How do you walk in them? Do you walk to the bookcase? Let me see how you walk. Wow, you're fast. Wow, be careful. That's great. Turn around. Look at me.
I missed a screw. I missed a screw, Dada.
You missing a screw? Your knob fell off. How did it fall off? Dada fixed it. Tell Dada, please, Dada.
Please, Dada.
Please. I love you. Bye-bye. Peace out.
Peace out.
How do you say I love you with your hands? Like this. I love you.
I love you.